You won't believe it until the very end of the video. This guy may look ordinary, but he's anything but that. At a young age, he mastered an incredible skill, and he's become a well-known problem solver in the village. What others can't do, he nails with ease. Today, to fix frequent power outages at home, he turned his attention to a small stream nearby. When he finished, everyone was left speechless. Before we knew it, he had already built a dam-like wall inside the stream. He smoothed the outer wall with cement, then polished it with foam boards. The surface became even and neat. It already looked powerful and imposing. You could tell this was no ordinary build. He added a steel frame across the top of the wall, poured a layer of cement, and embedded steel rods made from tree roots. He sealed everything again with cement. While waiting for the cement to dry, he built a brick wall upstream from the dam, right where the PVC pipe would go. His skilled hands made it clear. He had plenty of experience working construction. No rookie could pull this off, not without years of training. He poured fine sand into the wall cavity, leveled the pipe opening, and added another layer of cement. He kept building upward, laying PVC pipes in a full circle, completely enclosing it. He leveled it to match the height of the dam wall. Then, he installed a turbine and a mini generator. Connected the output wires, and sealed the top with another brick layer. Covered the surface with cement, smoothed it perfectly. The next day, he removed the wooden support frame. At the outlet, he installed a gate valve. He painted the top red his favorite color. Instantly, it looked high-tech and stylish, very polished and premium. He painted the dam wall too. Then wrapped the top edge with strings of colorful LED lights. Connected the lights to the generator output. Added a PVC pipe segment inside the wall to make the opening face upward. Mounted a decorative top piece. The whole thing looked truly majestic. Then he sealed the underground drain and waited for the water level to rise. While waiting, he installed an automatic gate valve at the outlet. Simple, convenient, and very effective. When the water reached its highest level, it was time to open the gate and start generating power. He hit the gate switch, and the gate slowly rose. The lights came on one by one, which could only mean one thing. His homemade generator worked. When night finally fell, the lights turned the station into a glowing masterpiece. What do you think of this DIY power station? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video.